To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Disengage the fasteners. Once the tabs are free, lift the housing. Remove the old filter. Install your new AF3984 filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the sensor. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.